Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this Cosmo Sonic, and the item number is 19454. Alright, so let's open it and see what's inside. Let's go! Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is like this, and here is the sticker. Okay, and the chassis is FMA chassis, and the material is ABS. Okay, and the parts come with is black, and this is the rear plate, black. Okay, and it comes with the 8-spoke regular PP wheels. Okay, and the color yellow, and the tire is medium soft tire. Okay, and the gear ratio comes with 3.5 high-speed gear, and also it comes with 1 carbon ring force pinning gear. Okay, so this is the everything from this unit. So now let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is today's video. If you are a collector of the Let's and Go, and you can definitely get one and to collect it for yourself. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.